everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Sea Princess. How are you guys? I hope you're happy to see me again. 5 years na po ang nakakalipas since my last vlog upload. At tagal ko talagang nawala. And to be honest, na-miss ko po talaga kayong lahat. Before my recap video, I want to thank my 16,000 subscribers. Wow guys, you stayed with me. Kung ano yung subscribers ko nung nawala ako, ganun pa rin hanggang ngayon. So I'm very thankful na hindi nyo ako iniwan. Kaya stay tuned guys, at meron akong good news para sa inyo at the end of this video. It was 2020 during pandemic time since yung last vlog upload ko, and I didn't have the chance to update you guys because of so many restrictions. To those who are wondering, I know merong mga nag-iisip sa inyo na baka meron na akong sariling family, or may asawa, or may mga anak, or totally nag-stop na sa pagbabarko. Actually guys, almost lagpas na ako sa kalendaryo, pero wala pong tama sa assumptions na yan. And I still don't have kids. I'm not yet married. I'm still single, and I'm still sailing. So in the past few years guys, I just focus on my own career growth while helping my family. Sa ating mga new viewers, I was still a third officer when I started to make vlogs. Shout out po kay Sir Chief McCoy. Thank you so much, sir, sa pag-push sa akin na gumawa ng vlogs and to help me promote my YouTube channel. And nowadays, marami na rin po talaga mga seafarer content creators. So, isa na po dyan yung friend ko, si Ma'am Alona from Cambal Marina. Hi, Ma'am! So, last year nagkita po kami. Nagkadikit po yung barko namin sa Belgium. Share ko lang sa inyo guys, this is the video which has reached more than 300,000 views. Woo! Habang nagbabasa po ako sa comment section, I was surprised to see na marami pong interested sa pagbabarko. Ito po yung naging motivation ko kung bakit ako bumalik sa pagbablog. Nakakauhaw din pala guys, after break muna. After pandemic, medyo natagalan po yung paghintay ko ng sakay. Mostly kasi ng mga barko ay nabenta. Ang iba naman po ay walang mga biyahe. So, lumipat po ako ng company guys, and I was hired as a second officer in a Roro container ship with mixed crew. This company and ship has become my training ground to become a chief officer. Na-manage ko rin na i-maintain ang work-life balance on board. I also started to lift weights and exercise more to be fit and get stronger. So ayan guys, nakita ninyo ang aking progress and productivity kahit na naapektuhan man yung sakay ko sa pandemic. So this is a proof guys that sometimes a delay is a reflection of God's timing. Bago po matapos ang vlog na ito, meron po akong good news para sa inyo. So mga kabaro, this is your time to shine. Get a chance na ma-feature ang inyong videos about seafaring on my next episodes. You can send them on my WhatsApp number, or you can also download it in Google Drive and send it to my Gmail account. Guys, it's time to say bye-bye. Thank you so much for your time, and also I hope to see you in my next episodes. Don't forget to click like, subscribe on my channel, Sea Princess. See ya!